lesson, red button right here.
But if you don't know those instructions, they're written right here.
Ready? All right. Very important. Now, 3 knots out of very good. Oh, I know. Yeah, you
in a canoe today. So to get into your canoe, sit your butt down and get your second footing. The next thing we want to know is how to paddle. Forward paddle stroke, you just want to dip your paddle blade in right by your toes. Nice long sweeping motion.
That's awesome. I love that.
One, two, three. Walk in, remember to peel off.
One, two, peel. One, two.
There's a rhythm and rush these days, where the lines don't move and the colors don't fade. Leaves you empty with nothing but dreams, in a world gone shallow, in a world gone mean. Sometimes there's things a man cannot know. The gears won't turn and the leaves won't grow. There's no place to run and no gasoline. Engines won't turn and the train won't leave. I will stay with you tonight, hold you close till the morning light. In the morning watch the new day rise. We'll do whatever just to stay alive. We'll do whatever just to stay alive. Well, the way I feel is the way I ride. Listen like the thoughts of a man who lies. There is a truth and it's on our side. Dawn is coming, open your eyes. Look into the sun as a new day's rise. And I will wait for you tonight. You're here forever and you're by my side. I've been waiting all my life. come and open your eyes.